how to boot into advanced startup options to perform a factory reset when your Windows don't boot up normally for your Lenovo laptop. So here what you want to do is first power down the device. You can press and hold on the power button right here and shut down the laptop. Now press on the power button to boot up your laptop again, and then we press and hold on this button right here. So wait for Windows to boot up, and then what you want to do is press and hold, and then this will force the computer to shut down. Now repeat this 2 more times, so altogether you need to do this 3 times. So press and then turn on. Now it's turning on. Now press and hold, so wait for a few seconds. Once you're in here, press and hold, and this will force your laptop to shut down. Once you have done that 3 times, this time turn on the laptop and wait. Now by doing this 3 times, this will trigger the advanced startup options menu automatically on your next boot attempt. And from here, we'll be able to go into your advanced startup options and you can perform a factory reset, or if you want, you can attempt a system restore or a boot up repair. So here it shows 2 copies of Windows. I'm just going to press on the enter button. Now if it does not work the first try, you may want to try it again. Now you can see it says automatic repair. So you want to go into advanced options. Click on advanced options. And from here we can perform a system reset. So I'm going to go down and click on troubleshoot. And then click on reset this PC. And then click on remove everything. Or if you want, you can keep the files if you want to retain the files. And here say reinstall Windows from this device, or download and reinstall Windows. So here I will try to use local reinstall. If it does not work, then we can try to download a copy. Okay, on the next option you have the choice to just remove my files or fully clean the device. So I'm going to choose this option right here, fully clean the device. So here it is resetting the PC and so getting things ready. So this may take some time, but basically that's it. Once you get to here, you are now successfully reset your PC. Thank you for watching this video.